Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Just a quick introduction to this video. This video is going to be a day in my life of eating vlog. I'm not going to be doing much talking in this video. It's just going to be showing you mainly what I eat from morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning until I go to bed at night, and what I drink. Just kind of a glimpse of how I eat as a 65-year-old menopausal woman, just so I can give you my stats. I am 5'10", so I'm a relatively tall person, and I am underweight. So you will see me eating carbs in this video. However, I do really restrict blatant sugar because my father was a type 2 diabetic and his mother was on insulin. I don't remember exactly what type of diabetes my grandmother had on my father's side. I don't know if it was, juvenile type 1 or if she also developed type 2 as she got older. So I am very, cognizant of being careful that I can always potentially slip into type 2 diabetes if I'm not careful. As I've mentioned before, I've had borderline pre-diabetes readings, which kind of bothered me because I thought, I'm really thin. I exercise a lot and I'm showing up pre-diabetic, pretty careful about what I eat. So I did kind of rejigger my carbs a little bit. You will see me eating carbs in this video. I have read that if I eat my carbs, if you eat your greens first, vegetables first, then protein, and then eat carbs, you can keep your blood glucose down. I do monitor my blood glucose periodically. I have a glucose meter at my house, so I do prick my finger 1 hour after I eat and then sometimes 2 hours after I eat to see what my glucose reading is after certain meals. So I am able to kind of track if I'm spiking my glucose. I think that's all I want to say. I hope you enjoy a day in my life. and rollers. Is he really? So I wanted to show you something at the end of the video that I've been testing out at night. This is City Beauty's collagen formula. It's called Essential Radiance. It's a collagen boosting blend. It's a physician formula that's vegan supplement. It contains amino acids that are going to boost your body's own natural collagen to help to make your skin look firmer and healthier. I use collagen every day in my coffee in the morning. You saw the one I used this morning. That is by far my most favorite collagen, but I wanted to test this one out for them. Now, as I said, it's a vegan blended powder. They come in individual packets, so it's convenient if you have travel. And the solution is for dullness of your skin. It's supposed to help wrinkles and even out your skin tone. The flavor of this collagen is called peach berry, and I believe the package includes enough collagen, 20 packets, that should give you close to a month's supply. Now, it is made in the United States. It contains no dairy, no eggs, no gluten, no fish or shellfish, no animal products, no peanuts or tree nuts, no soy, no wheat, no GMOs. And it is absolutely PETA certified. Like I said, it contains vitamins and minerals, it contains phytonutrient blend, and collagen boosting blends. That is all the pros of the product. I believe it also contains stevia to sweeten it. I would say the pros, basically what any collagen product does for your skin and your hair and your nails. I am a true believer in taking collagen every day in supplements. I love actually doing it in the morning in my coffee. So I tried mixing this in a small glass of tea, but I could not get the collagen to dissolve. So that's why you're going to see me transfer it to a larger glass of tea, hoping that I can get it to dissolve. But to be honest with you, this collagen, I really did have a little bit of a hard time getting it to completely dissolve in cold liquid. And I think the price is just a little bit more expensive than it should be. I'm not as much of a big fan of individual packages. I just like to kind of scoop out my collagen. I guess it's great for travel. But, right now I am testing it out. It has stevia in it. I would prefer unflavored collagen with absolutely no artificial type of sugar in it because I just don't like the taste of artificial sugars. Kind of makes me nauseous. And I just feel like this is kind of a medicinal scent to it, a medicinal flavor. So that's my take on it. I will leave a link for it down in my description box in case you want to check it out. I am a true believer in taking collagen every day. It's just that I'm kind of fussy about the way it tastes. That's a look in my what I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.